Hey everyone, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you Google Workspace. In the next 8 minutes, I'll show you how to use Gmail, Drive, Docs, Calendar, and more, all designed to help you and your team work smarter and faster. Let's get started. Google Workspace is a suite of cloud-based productivity tools. It includes a Gmail, email for business, Drive, file storage and sharing, docs, sheet, slides, one online document editing, calendar, schedule meetings and events, meet, video conferencing, admin console, manage users and settings. It's ideal for individuals, startups, schools, and large teams. You can access everything from any browser or the mobile apps. Let's start with Gmail. Search for Google Workspace, then click Get Started. Enter your business name, then next. Uh, Enter your first and last name, current email address. Now click Get a new domain, or if you have an existing domain, just click it. Now search for your domain here. So your workspace email looks professional, like you and your company.com. In Gmail, you can use labels instead of folders, schedule emails, add signatures and filters, connect to Google Chat and Meet. From the right side, click plus icon. Now add search for Meet and install it. Next, Google Drive is your cloud storage hub. With Google Workspace, you get at least 30 GB, 30 gigabyte to unlimited cloud space. Upload files, folders, or create new docs, sheets, slides. Share with anyone using view, edit, comment, access. Organize with folders and color tags. Use the priority tab to focus on important files. Everything syncs across devices and is backed up in the cloud. Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides work like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. From your apps section, click the Sheet, Docs, and Slide. With this app, you can collaborate in real time, leave comments and suggestions, access version history, export to PDF, Word, Excel formats. Use at the rate mention to tag teammates need to save manually. It auto saves every few seconds. Now let's look at calendar and meet. Here the calendar and meet. In calendar, you can schedule meeting and events. Just click on a date like that. Now give it a title, event or task, add the location, add your guests, etc. Then click save. Add Google Meet, video links, invite others via email, see teammates availability. Meet is integrated across Gmail, Calendar, and Docs. You can host secure HD video meetings, no app download needed. In if you are an admin, the admin console gives you full control, add or remove users. Set permissions, add security policies, create groups and shared drives, monitor uses and billing. Admins can also turn service services on off for user or department. And that's a quick tour of your Google Workspace for beginners. From email to cloud docs to meetings, it's everything you need to run your business in the cloud. On meeting, just enter the meeting code, then or click a new meeting, then create a meeting for later or start instant meeting. Now give all permission. Uh, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for more Google Workspace resources and tips. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.